Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So there are two main methods that allow you to charge your device. The first one is by using the USB cable. So inside the box we have of course the USB-C cable that should be included inside the box. But in addition to that, we also need to have a charger itself, which unfortunately is not included in the box. So if you don't have an old charger, for instance from your old smartphone, your old device, then you will need to purchase one. Now over here I have my own USB cable, USB-C in fact, and I can simply use this one instead of the original one, and this will work as well. So of course, in addition to that, you need to use the charger, like I said. In my case, I have the Xiaomi charger from my main device. And of course, simply plug in the USB cable, connect the USB cable to the charger and to the device, to the Samsung as well. And as you can see, this is how we can charge it. Now, you can also charge the device with the USB cable without the charger, for instance, by using your laptop or PC. So if your PC has USB-C input, or if you have a cable that uses USB-C and USB on the other side, then of course you can use it as well. However, the charging speed will be pretty much slow. You can also use a wireless charger that works as well. However, typically with other devices, you need to place the device in the middle of the wireless charger in order to charge it. However, as you can see, in this case, it doesn't work. And this is because you need to place this side on the middle of the charger, which is quite inconvenient if you don't have your device folded and you need to pretty much hold it in order to not ruin it. You can try to move it a little bit down in order to still keep it in charge, still charge it, and without having it to like flop or something. So of course it is still possible to charge your device unfolded. On the other hand, you can simply fold the device and then you can place it on this side here. So that's pretty much it. These are all methods that you can use. Of course, you can also use the powerless, sorry, not powerless, but wireless charging by using any other device. It works pretty much the same way as a wireless charger, but instead you need to use another device that allows you to enable the power sharing. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.